Sigenergy is transforming Ireland's commercial energy landscape. For the first time, businesses can harness safe, flexible battery systems to store energy, cut costs, and ensure reliable power. By oversizing solar arrays and utilizing more roof space, companies can capture extra generation, store it, and take advantage of lower electricity rates throughout the day. This boosts efficiency, strengthens energy independence, and supports a greener, more sustainable future. With these innovations, we're paving the way for Irish businesses to thrive, breaking past old barriers and unlocking a cleaner, smarter energy era.
This is a project done by Elite Energies, one of our key partners here in Ireland. So they have fitted a 150 kilowatt peak of solar on the roof. We have two Sigenergy inverters inside in the factory, 150 kilowatt, and they are paired and connected with our SigenStack batteries.
We have just installed the largest DC coupled battery in Ireland. In partnership with Sigenergy, we have installed a 300 kilowatt DC coupled battery for our clients. So as well as generating free electricity from the rooftop, they can now store this. And not only that, in times of bad PV or in winter time, they can use dynamic tariffing to be able to store energy at a very cheap rate from the grid and then discharge this to the factory when the factory is running at premium rate.
So I'm Sandra Byrne, Managing Director of Elite 4 Manufacturing here in County Louth, and I've been in the company for 30 years. My parents started it in 1974. We produce sheet metal products, everything from a garden shed right up to stadiums. Our flagship building now at this stage is still the Aviva Stadium, where we made all the polycarbonate Tottenham Stadium, panels for the outside, the whole facade, all the guttering systems. But we also do data centres all around Europe.
We feel that Sigenergy has got such an edge on the hardware and the software that they have provided now, and we see that the next level in renewable energy is storage.
So each of these packs you see here is 12 kilowatt hour packs, 12.06 to be exact. They're modular system, so that's what's quite different about the Sigenergy solution. It's modular, it's very flexible. The battery had to be actually moved from inside to outside. So a tricky bit of a movement there, but with the modular system, quite easy to do.
We had issues with access to get in because if this machine here, if you break this beam, it shuts down the machine. So we wanted to keep it independent so that if we ever had to have access into the inverters, that it wasn't disrupting production.
There's no wiring between each of these packs, so this system was fitted and commissioned extremely quickly.
Like Lego or Meccano, it just slotted into place and it can be, as you say, expanded on, and that's what we plan to do in the future.
I was impressed with how modular the system was. The batteries, we initially planned putting them inside, but when we had them nearly installed inside, it wasn't working out location-wise, too close to a machine, one thing and another. So we moved it outside, but that was very easily done, a couple of hours turnaround.
What's different about our system is it's DC coupled. It can be AC coupled or DC coupled. In this scenario, it's DC coupled. In Ireland, there hasn't been much of a market for battery storage or much of an interest because there was never a proper, really good DC coupled solution.
Unlike other systems that are AC coupled, the Sigenergy system is DC coupled, which provides less compliance issues that we would have to deal with the ESB, for example.
So what's different about the Sigenergy system? First of all, it's DC coupled. So this gets around the legacy restriction that we have in Ireland around MIC, maximum import capacity, which means if you have an MIC for the building, you're restricted to the amount of solar you can put in because the inverter and the PCS, power conversion system, which normally goes on an AC coupled battery system, are both considered generators.
We're always looking about being sustainable. It's our aim to be as sustainable as possible. We recycle every single thing we can. We reuse every single thing we can. We don't waste anything, so it was obvious to use the amount of roof space that we have to use that to its benefit and get as much solar panels on as we possibly could.
We were very impressed with the install, the ease of use, ease of installation. We were very impressed with Sigenergy, the technology, very adaptable.
Each of these battery packs of 12 kilowatt hours has got a built-in fire extinguisher in each pack. It's got full temperature detection throughout the pack. It's got high temperature insulated pads surrounding each pack. It's got insulation and heat isolation layers between each of the cells within the pack. It's got a decompression valve and it's got a smoke sensor.
So you can see even today, on today's production alone, we've planted the equivalent to 2 trees, which is great because everyone likes to do their bit for sustainability. We have saved 1.68 tonnes of CO2. So bit by bit, if everybody does their bit, we'll all make the targets for 2030.
What you're seeing is a fully integrated energy solution engineered for performance at scale. By combining intelligent storage, advanced power management, and real-time system control, this platform delivers reliability, efficiency, and long-term resilience. Designed to support critical operations, reduce energy volatility, and optimize performance across every layer of use. This is Sigenergy, intelligent energy infrastructure built for the future.